Hello, my friends. You all are welcome to Future World Kids Education channel. Before we start our video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. My dear friends, today we will learn capital letter W and its sound. You must follow the instructions and lip movement so you can pronounce sound correctly. Let's start. W says W. W. Follow the lip movement. W. W says W. W. Whale. Repeat after me. W says W. 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 Whale. W says W. W. Sound of W is W. Capital letter is W and the sound of W is W and W. Whale. W. Whale. Sound is W. Repeat after me. W. W. This sound is W. Very good. Once again say yes. W. W. Whale. W says W. Whale. W. Whale. W. Whale. Thanks, my dear.